Changing your phone number on Telegram sounds daunting, right? But don't worry, it's actually super simple. The app handles everything in the background, like making sure your chats, groups, and contacts stay intact. No starting over from scratch needed. First, why would you even want to change your Telegram number? Maybe you switched carriers, got a new phone plan, or finally ditched that number you accidentally gave your ex 5 years ago. Whatever the reason, Telegram's on your side. Before you start, make sure you're logged into your account on your phone. This is key because you'll need access to your existing Telegram account before you swap out your old number. Ready? Let's do this step by step. Step 1. Open Telegram. Easy so far, right? Then tap on the three-line menu in the top left corner of the app. Think of that menu button as your mission control within Telegram. It's where all the magic happens. Next, find Settings in the drop-down menu. Yep, it's the one with the little gear icon next to it. Tap that. Inside Settings, you'll see your profile info at the very top. This is where your current phone number is listed. Tap on your phone number. Telegram will immediately let you know that changing your number moves all your account data over. Your chats, groups, and contacts stay safe like precious cargo on this ride. Sounds reassuring, doesn't it? Now, enter your new phone number. Don't typo it. Telegram will ask you to double-check. Once confirmed, hit Next. A verification code will be sent to your new number instantly. Look out for that text. It's make or break time. When you get the code, enter it into Telegram. This proves that the number is actually yours, and not some random digits you dreamed up while bored in a meeting. Boom! Your account is now tied to your new phone number. You're done. Let that sink in. No warnings about lost chats or blown-up group memberships because Telegram did all the heavy lifting behind the curtain. You just moved into a new, digital home without losing anything. Pro tip: make sure your Telegram contacts have your new number if you want them to find you. Telegram doesn't automatically notify people about the change, so send a quick message to the folks who matter. Another thing to note: your old number won't have access to your account anymore once this process is complete. That's a solid layer of security for you, especially if someone else ends up with your old number. How seamless was that? Telegram's phone number change feature is a lifesaver in a world where switching numbers feels like a hassle. It's like the app wants to say, "We've got your back," and honestly, it does.